Hi, what's up? My name and my sign name, and today we are learning school signs that you need to know. So, even if you're beginning to learn sign language, it's just some signs if you're in school that will be helpful. So the first one is school. School. So in American Sign Language, your dominant hand, doesn't matter if it's left, doesn't matter if it's right, is the one moving most of the time, unless they're both moving. But your dominant hand is moving. And it doesn't matter if you're left or right. Okay. Second one is homework. So your hands should all kind of go together like this, and home. This is time for home, and then work. So this is really important that your fingers are like this, because if you go like this, that means deaf. So make sure your fingers are like this. Home, home, and then work. This is also really important because if you go like this, that means making it out.